Hello, today we are going to learn how to create individualized sales report for each sales and for each region. Okay, so let's go ahead. I've already gone ahead and created a table which contains all the list of the sales done along with the salesman, which region they're from. I've created a pivot table as well, a simple pivot table, right? Which region, which salesman, and the total sales that they have done. The name of this file is sales template. Okay, let's just save this. Let's create a new transformation. The name is sales output. Let's load our data file, which currently is called items all. It contains all of the data which I just showcased it to you. We do not need any validation. We do need to sort our data. So the first time we want to sort it by we want to sort by salesman, so that we have all the list of. Let's actually do it by and region, right? So 1 and 2. Click on OK. In your transformation writer, let's just go ahead and load all the items from the reader, so it just becomes easier. Link it over here. Okay, now all of my items are already here. I can click on the auto wizard, click on auto map. All the items are mapped automatically. Okay, we do want to create new items on sales. Just 1 second. Sorry. We do want to create new files by the name of salesman. So we have a new transformation called new file. Okay, this is it. Now this is little tricky. Select Excel file as the output. In your file name, first we want to load our table, so we will we'll select the sales template. We want to write to a table. If you see, all the list of tables would be out. We want to clear the data and we want to recalculate. Okay, now before you click OK, this is also a template. And we want the name of each file to be the name of the salesman, right? So this is a code which would be provided to you. Click on OK. Let's go. Here we are. Individual sales reports created. Let's create a click on Sanjay. The best part is, even the pivot is refreshed. If you come over here, it contains only the name of Sanjay, right? Let's have a look at somebody else. Let's click on Rakesh. The sales file is perfect, and so is the sales sheet. Now if we want to create items by region, the only thing which changes is that instead of salesman, we'll simply do this, right, by region, and we run this file again. Now we have sales east west. Let's click on west. And here we are, just for west. It's so simple, and you're able to create all the files. If you guys need any more help, please come to the forums. The developers are very, very helpful. Thank you.